Crypto market updates, navigating the current landscape and future predictions. The cryptocurrency market continues to be a roller coaster of innovation, unpredictability, and significant shifts. As we delve into the latest trends and updates, it's crucial to understand the complex dynamics shaping the crypto world today and in the foreseeable future. This comprehensive overview will guide you through the current state and emerging trends of the crypto market, drawing insights. The present scenario: a bear market in control. The current bear market dynamics. In early 2023, the crypto market entered a bear phase, marked by declining asset prices and investor retreat. This crypto winter, as some refer to it, follows a pattern of bear markets seen in the past, each extending over 20 months with over 70% declines. The current bear market, now over 350 days, was triggered by events like the Terra ecosystem collapse and the FTX crisis, leading to massive user withdrawals and widespread fear, uncertainty, and doubt. 5. Bitcoin's tentative recovery. Despite these challenges, there are glimmers of hope. In mid-January, Bitcoin regained some ground, standing just 10% off its 200-day moving average. Some analysts see this as a potential end to the bear market, with predictions of Bitcoin hitting $35,000 by year-end. Factors like regulatory actions and changes in user sentiment could influence this recovery. The future outlook: trends to watch in 2024. NFT resurgence and expansion. Despite a significant market collapse in 2022, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are poised for a comeback. Predicted to reach a market size of $231 billion by 2030, NFTs are finding robust applications in gaming, fashion, and even real estate. The growing interest in sectors like gaming, where NFT-linked digital cards are used for in-game trading, signals a resilient future for NFTs. The aftermath of FTX collapse. The FTX collapse continues to reverberate through the industry. The fallout highlights the importance of secure wallet solutions like cold wallets for cryptocurrency storage. This event is also driving a market consolidation, with implications for investors and companies within the crypto space. Increasing regulation. Post-FTX, regulatory scrutiny has intensified. The U.S. government's slow but growing interest in regulating the crypto space could bring about significant changes, including the potential development of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. This shift towards regulation aims to curb criminal activity and instill more trust in the market. Crypto's environmental impact. The climate impact of crypto mining, especially Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work process, is becoming a pressing issue. Initiatives like Ethereum's merge, transitioning from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, significantly reduce energy consumption. However, the broader industry's environmental footprint remains a concern, with calls for more sustainable practices. Conclusion: a market in flux, yet ripe with opportunity. The cryptocurrency market is in a state of flux, facing challenges like fraud, environmental concerns, and the need for more stringent regulation. Despite these hurdles, the market cap remains robust, and millions globally continue to engage with cryptocurrencies. With the next Bitcoin halving scheduled for 2024 and potential NFT market growth, there is still ample room for innovation and recovery. The key for investors and enthusiasts is to stay informed, adapt to changes, and approach the crypto space with a balanced perspective of its risks and opportunities.